The University of Verona in Italy is accepting applications for the 2025/2026 academic section. Italy is a top study destination for international students because the cost of living in Italy is very cheap and affordable, and tuition fee is also very cheap and affordable. Another advantage of studying in Italy is that you can bring your immediate family with you, which is your spouse and children, while on a student visa. And the University of Verona is located in the beautiful city of Verona in Italy. And it's one of the top public universities in Verona, Italy, as Verona is a very popular city in Italy. So if you want to study in Italy at this university, then stick around and watch this video to the end. Hi and welcome back. I'm Exploring Neye. If you're new here, you're welcome. On this channel, I talk about everything immigration and study abroad opportunities. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through the University of Verona application process, starting with how you can find your programs as an international student at the University of Verona, the requirements to apply, and how you can submit your application. The admission intake is from the 17th of February to March 17, 2025. Which means that the deadline to apply is on the 17th of March 2025. First of all, you would want to look for your programs, and you are going to come here as an international student and click on international activities. Then you would want to scroll down and come to degrees taught in English. Okay, and this university offers undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral programs in a wide range of disciplines. And when you come here, you will scroll down to see information for applications for the academic year 2025/2026, and this is the call for applications, and it's open from 17 February to 17 March 2025, which I mentioned earlier. For international master's degree programs, non-EU students holding a foreign degree and residing in a non-EU country can apply for pre-admission and for the awarding 31 student support and benefits. So you can scroll down to be able to see information on some of the courses that this university is offering. And they have master's degree in artificial intelligence, master's degree in bioengineering for personalized medicine, master's degree in biology for translational research and precision medicine, master's degree in data science, master's degree in economics and data analysis, master's degree in computer engineering for intelligent systems, master's degree for international economics and business, master's degree in languages, literatures, and digital culture, master's degree in linguistics, master's degree in mathematics, master's degree in medical bioinformatics, and master's degree in molecular and medical biotechnology. So if you want to see information on tuition fees, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on tuition fees for non-EU students. And this is how to apply for flat tax, 1,000 euros all inclusive tuition fee. So this is the tuition fee per year that you're going to pay. All right. And this is the annual university fee. You can as well apply for a reduction of fees by the 15th of November, depending or based on your financial situation. You have to obtain this form and provide your documents to be able to submit this form for a fee reduction by the 15th of November. But if you're not able to obtain this form, then you can pay this 1,000 all inclusive tuition fee. And I would advise you to go for this. All right. And there's information on how you can pay for this in installments. The first installment is 339 euros, which includes all of this by 15th of October. The second installment is 330 euros 50 cents by 31st March. And the third installment is 330 euros 50 cents by 31st May. And if you ask me, this is a very cheap tuition fee for international students. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is the scholarship that is available for international students. So these are the scholarships available at this university, the University of Verona. They offer a range of scholarships to reward excellent students and to help those from lower income families. And the scholarships are intended to cover part of the students' living expenses for each year. And as you can see here, they have the Invest Your Talent in Italy. They have scholarships that is funded by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So you have a wide range of scholarships to apply to. And this scholarship will be opening in May 2025. They also have scholarships being offered by the University of Verona, which is the student support and benefits for non-EU students, for international students holding a foreign degree and applying for an international master's degree. And for this scholarship, you also need to provide documentations to show that you are from a lower income family. Remember that this scholarship is also to help those from lower income families and also reward excellent students. If you're coming based on this, then you need to provide your academic documents and your transcripts, your certificates, your ID, And if your situation is lower income family, then you're going to provide documents showing the economic situation of your family. All right. And for you to see the requirements, you click here for closed access programs, and you can click here for open access programs. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be clicking on open access programs. Then you can scroll down and click on this to be able to see more information on that. And this is the call for applications for international master's degree programs, and it has a total of 3,000 places available. You scroll down to be able to see information on admission requirements. And candidates must meet the following requirements in order to take part in the selection process. The first is a bachelor's degree minimum, which is a foreign equivalent qualification. Knowledge of the English language or other foreign language at the required level of each degree. Then additional specific requirements may apply depending on each degree program. And students who are near to the completion of their degree program may also apply as long as they graduate by 30th of June 2025. So if you're about to complete your bachelor's program by this date, then you can still apply for this program. And if you scroll up here, you may see 2024/2025. So I'm guessing this is a mistake, because here we have 225/226, right? For the application document, you need a scanned copy of your passport, which is a must if you're applying for admission overseas. Then a copy of your 3-year university degree. If you have a 4 years university degree, it's still okay. Or a certificate of enrollment which states the expected completion date. So for those who are still in their degree program, their bachelor's degree program, you provide a statement or certificate of enrollment to state this date of completion, okay, of expected completion. All right, then academic transcript in English for the completed degree and for any postgraduate studies completed. So even if you've completed any postgraduate study and you want to apply for this program, you will still need to provide that. Then CV with study and work experience included, written in English, maximum of 2 pages, a cover letter where requested, certificate of English language certificate or other language certificates where required. At the end of the application process, the system will issue a receipt confirming the submission of the application containing a sequential number based on the chronological order of submission. And each candidate may apply for no more than 2 degree programs. So what this means is that you can apply for 2 programs at this University of Verona, but you cannot apply to 3 programs. You can't apply to 3 degree programs, okay? And you can as well scroll down to read more information on the pre-admissions, selection procedure, the deadlines, which we mentioned earlier, is on the 17th of March 2025. And if you have any technical problems while filling the application online, then you can notify the school immediately by sending an email. And there's also student support and benefits, and the University of Verona awards 31 student support and benefits for top candidates as set out below for international master's degree. And across the various fields that are here, artificial intelligence, they have 4, computer engineering for intelligent systems 3, and we have 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3 across the other various fields. And you can also see down here student support and benefits that have a duration of 12 months and include accommodation at ESU student residencies, exemption from tuition fees, and 1 free meal per day at the university canteen managed by ESU. So these are the benefits that you're going to be getting. This is what the benefit covers, all right, as a student or international student receiving student support and benefits. And another important information, it says, please note, before coming to Italy, successful candidates from non-EU countries must ensure they have sufficient funds to support themselves, which is now your proof of fund, for a minimum of 500 euros per month and 6,000 euros per year, which is mandatory for those applying for a visa. So as an international student, this is still very affordable. So when you're ready with all of these documents and you're ready to apply, then you're going to come to the application sections, and it says applications in response to this call must be made by completing the online application form, attaching these documents that we have mentioned earlier. So you will click on this form, and it's going to bring you to this page to choose your program, and you have languages, literatures, and digital culture, mathematics, data science, computer engineering for intelligent systems, medical bioinformatics, molecular and medical biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and economics and data analysis. I'll be choosing artificial intelligence for the purpose of this. And you're still going to see more information on the pre-admission and application opening and some of the documents that you need to apply to this particular program. And to apply for pre-admission, you have to ensure that you fill up the form and attach the following documents: a copy of your valid passport. Now, this is documents that you would need to apply for this program. The previous documents we saw are general documents, and remember it said that you will need to also check documents that is specific to your own field of study. And the next thing you'll be needing for this program in artificial intelligence is a copy of your certificate or certificate of enrollment stating that the expected completion date is on the 30th of June 2025. And if you're holding a 2-year bachelor's degree, please also include your master's degree. You also need your academic transcript or your academic transcripts, both for your bachelor's degree or any postgraduate studies that you have completed. You will need your curriculum vitae, you will need your statement of purpose, a short text in English, maximum of 2 pages, motivating your interest in the program. And you will need a certificate of English language competence or other language certificates where required. And this is optional. You can include your publications, your reference letters, or other relevant documents. And you also need to state your CGPA as a percentage. Mistakes or missing or incomplete documents will lead to the rejection of your application. So please make sure that all the documents you're submitting are all correct and none is missing, okay, and they are not incomplete. All right, so I'm going to click on apply to this program. When you are done with all of this, you click here, apply to this program, and also check this box for you to be able to click on apply to this program. Then you're going to enter your email, your prefix, your phone, and your password to be able to sign up. Your prefix is your country code, and then you fill in your phone number here. And when you click on password, it's going to bring up some things, and you click on choose your own to be able to enter your own personal password. And when you're done with that, you're going to click on sign up. Remember to also use a strong password. All right, you click on sign up and they will send you an email. So to finish creating your account, you will have to check your email for a confirmation link and follow the instructions. Then you come to your email and click on confirm your email, and it says confirmation successful. You can click here to log into your account that you have created. So you're going to fill in your email and your password here, and you will be able to click on login. So we have now logged in. Remember, we clicked on artificial intelligence, but if you're coming for your own program, look for your program and click on your program to be able to apply directly, okay? And it says here, have you successfully participated in the call for application for the academic year at the University of Verona? And before going ahead, please consider if you meet all the following conditions. You successfully participated in the call for application for the academic year, and you hold a valid student visa issued for the University of Verona, and it is still valid. Expiring date must be later than September 2025. You are not currently present on Italian territory. If you do not meet all 3 conditions, please select no and proceed with a standard application. So you're going to select no for you to be able to proceed with this application. So for your photo, you're going to choose a file to upload that of your photo. Then you enter your last name and you enter your first name here as well. You're going to select your gender and you scroll down. You're going to select your correct date of birth, your birth country, your birth state. You choose that as well. Then your birth city, you're also going to put that, and your nationality is your country, and you select your residence address. Okay, then your residence city you fill in as well. Your residence country you also fill it as well. You enter your zip code here, and if you have attended a previous edition of this master's program, please specify the year or edition, and you click no if you have not attended. The next is your personal details, where you have to fill in your Skype username, and if you have a Zoom account, you can as well provide your Zoom ID. And you have to make sure that these IDs are all available and they're open for communication as well. If you don't have a Zoom ID, you have the option of filling in your email address, and you scroll down to be able to move to the next step. And for you to go to the next step, you're going to choose your passport. So you choose your passport here. After uploading your passport page, you're going to fill in your passport release date, your passport expiration date, your passport number, and your passport issuing body. And when you're done with all of that, you're going to click on next step. The next step is other data like your profile photo. You click here if you've participated in previous editions before, and you also put your Zoom contacts, your Skype and Zoom contact to be able to move on to the next step. And this is where you're going to enter your academic and educational details. So this is where you're going to provide the official website link of your university. You enter the name of your university of origin to be able to continue to the next step. And when you're done with that, you click on next. It will ask you if you've obtained or do you expect to obtain a 3-year university degree, bachelor's in computer science, computer engineering, or another field with a strong foundational training in computer science. Remember, this program is artificial intelligence, so it's computer related, right? So you're going to choose here and you choose on any of these, and you can choose yes in computer science, yes in computer engineering, yes in mathematics, physics, and you're going to choose the one that pertains to you. And for any other application you'll be submitting at this university, it's going to be the same process. So this is an example for you to follow, okay? And you move on to the next question. Please provide the description of your bachelor's degree exactly as stated in the document. And when you're done with that, you click on next. And it says upload your 3-year university degree, bachelor's if available. If not, upload a HOPE certificate. When holding a 2-year bachelor's degree, please also include your master's degree. So you can come here to upload that document. And when you have uploaded that, you click on next question. You upload a copy of your full transcript of records. You click here to choose the file. And you're going to go to the next question, upload your curriculum vitae. You choose here to be able to upload that, and you go to the next question, upload any other relevant educational documents. So here, if you have your master's degree or a postgraduate certificate, you can upload that in this section. And you click on next section, upload your statement of purpose. You click here and upload that as well, and you click on next when you're done with that. And is your cumulative grade point CGPA or equivalent higher than 85 over 100? And you're going to choose that answer here. It must be in the range of 85 to 100, so you're going to select that from here. This is where you're going to specify if you have or meet the English language proficiency requirement in one of the following ways. Yes, I have a valid English language certification at B2 level or higher. Yes, I have previously completed a degree fully taught in English. So you're going to click on that. If you're clicking on this, then it means you will need to provide a letter from your school, right? You're providing a letter from your school or a certificate of English language stating that you undertook your previous studies in the English language. But if you have an English certification, then you can click here and you'll be able to see where to upload that. So when you choose the next question, you'll be able to upload the letter from your school that you undertook your studies in English language, all right? And the next question is, are you participating in the University of Talent in Italy program call for scholarships IYT 25/26 funded by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation? And you click on no. When you click on no, then you'll be able to click on submit your application. It's as simple as that. Some programs will require you to submit your GRE or GMAT score. For this particular program, it's not requiring that. That's why you are saying submit an application. If they are requiring that for this program, you'll be able to see next question to upload your GRE or your GMAT score before you can now see this submit an application. It doesn't take up to more than 20 minutes as long as your application documents are already intact. So after you have submitted your application, they will send you a confirmation email that they have received your application. All right. And submitting your application to the University of Verona is absolutely free. There is no application fee to submit your application. All right. So I wish you all the best in your application to the University of Verona. And if you have any questions, please drop it or leave it in the comment section. And if there's any other university that you want me to show you how to submit your application, please also drop it in the comment section as well. And please don't forget to like this video, share it as well, because there are other people out there who may need this information. Okay, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. All right, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Okay, bye.